Hey guys, and welcome back for Hair Help Wednesday. Today is all about transforming your natural hair if you have unruly, curly, wavy hair that you don't normally like to wear around naturally, transforming it into a soft, smooth, sleek style using the Calista Triangl. Now this tool has replaced my straightener, some of my curling irons, a blow dryer. It is an all-in-one tool, and you're gonna see right here, right now, me transform my natural hair into how I wear it every single day. Here we go.
So this is what I was blessed with. Let's get to work. This is the Calista Triangl, and I haven't used a flat iron since I got the Calista Triangl probably 2 months ago. It is literally like a hot brush comb. It has teeth that you can touch, and it heats up hotter than my old flat iron did, and it does the work in half the time. Take a look. And there it is. It's so simple, super easy. You don't need a flat iron anymore. You don't need to blow dry your hair anymore because the Calista Triangl literally has revolutionized the entire game. I mean, you saw it before, right? Unbelievable. And you just watched, start to finish, I never stopped it, of me doing my hair. I don't even know what the lapse time was, but I will figure it out and I'll post it right here. But seriously, you should go pick one up at calista.com. I'll put the link here. This is called the Triangl. You should go get one today. Hey guys, if you liked my video today, hit the like button. If you want to follow along for more, hit that subscribe button. Go hit it below and comment below what you think I should do next week for my hair video.